Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. So this is just a very easy tutorial. If you want to know those people who don't follow you even after you follow them back and you want to unfollow them, what you're going to do here is first you have to launch your Instagram application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. File here on your profile, if you see up here, you will see options such as post, following, followers. All you have to do is click following right here. So these are my following, but I only have a few followers. So if I'm going to visit one of my following persons here, I'm going to click this one. If this person or account followed me, then I should see my name right away once I view his or her profile. If I tap on his or her followers and if I see my name, that means this person or this account has followed me back. If I go back and then choose again another following here, and if I visit his or her profile and go to following, and if I don't see or did not see my name right here, then that means this person or this account didn't follow me. So all I have to do is to click this dots right here and unfollow this account or profile. So basically, that's how easy it is to unfollow people. You don't need to use any third-party application. Most of these applications are unsafe. So even if you try to use those applications that can help you unfollow these people who don't follow you back, still it's not guaranteed. So this is just one of the few ways on how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.